In this video, we will go to crazy mode. I'm going to run this pocket option auto trader super hard for 7 minutes. Will we make money? Well, you will see. I will turn it on. So, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update about this bot and other things I'm doing here at YouTube. There will be a lot of changes with this bot going forward, and you need to see my videos so you know when to do an update. If you want this robot yourself, just use the link that you find below the video, and you can come here to Chrome Store and you can add it to your Chrome right away and get started with this bot the same way I'm using it. Okay, so with further ado, let's go and check. So let's now first go over here. Let me see. So here we are now in my real account. Yes, I got it back. And now we're going to be running it here, and I will show you the results because I have already started the bot. And let's see how it would turn out. And I got surprised myself. So here you can see what happened. I did take 7 trades with the bot. You can see 4 was losers. I talked about this yesterday. I am going to make an update so we get a higher win rate. But do you know what? When we use martingale, the win rate is more than good enough. I just are going to make it even better, of course. There will be then less trades, but I'm also going to make so he trade more pairs so we always have some action. But yes, I am super surprised. We made $370 in just 7 minutes, or was actually closer to 8 because he used a little time in between 2 of the trades. So we can say 8 minutes. How amazing is that? So if you want this robot yourself, by the way, check out the 24-hour test I did with the robot. There you see a little more action with the trades and things. So if you like this type of update videos, make sure you like also the video. By now I'm sure you have subscribed. And also, like I said, this robot is completely for free. You can run it today if you want to. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.